What? Guys, these are our alarm clocks in the mornings. And then when Asaf come in, it's a different ball game. Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Yeah. What you doing? There you go. What you do? What you do? I'm afraid to drop off of the bed. What you doing? So today is Dover. I haven't been to Dover in such a long time. But after that I would go. Amieke, what are you saying? I figured I would go to check it out and bring Amieke and see, if he likes it, see his reaction when he sees the race cars going around the track and all that stuff, since he's so much into race cars. Tired, guys, tired. We had a long night. Man, I don't know why I keep following these people. Why I keep following these people go out, I need to just stay home, stay on my yard, and just listen to Amieke and Asafa make noise. That's what I need to do. Follow them people that go road. Man. Now follow go up on the road again now. Yeah. You always I get the invitation them. You always get the invitation them and send it and I say, yo, you wanna go here, you wanna do this? And me like a big boo-boo.
No, initially I said no, Asafa's not gonna go, and then you went at the thing and said, oh, we can have to.
Why are you making so much noise? Huh? Camera turn panel, you start act like you're seeing. Bless you. Camera turn on you start act like you're seeing. Amieke, what are you doing there, brother?
Wisdom!
Careful.
Wisdom!
Be careful. Leave him alone. Leave him alone.
Let's go.
You look like 14.
That's good.
Yeah, make me feel like a thing there. I call him pervert, pedophile.
It's a good thing. Asian backwards. Yep.
Look pretty, babe.
Thank you.
So
you just
pretty.
need to lotion up your foot.
My foot?
Then other than that, you look like spectacular.
My foot say alright, man.
Raise up some.
My foot say alright. Asaf, your brother assault you. Your brother pressure your breath.
Poor thing. Where's Zap? Alright.
Hey guys, we came to get some patty for breakfast, and yeah, we're gonna head out now to the Dover. Amieke, you're gonna say fast cars? Fast cars? No, go on straight. Let's go in the fast car. Come. Tractor. The bye-bye tractor. Come on, come. Bye-bye. car race now this.
This really made me sleepy. Listen, I want to be like in my bed watching Netflix.
Amieke. A lot of rain though. A lot of rain.
There was some storm that was supposed to happen that we didn't check.
So,
Remember I told you?
rainy time no man.
Yeah, but there was a watch going on. That had seen some heavy thunderstorm.
So we're in Ochi guys, waiting on Robert and Bree to get ready. So we're at Jamaica and I'm gonna see if I can get something to drink while we wait. Energy cup man, nobody fancy it up. I want some to-go cup. Can I get 2 Planters punch? None of these are about here. Yeah guys, getting 2 Planters punch. But I want to-go cup. Not going to drink and drive. Just go and drink in the car. Yeah. But it's crazy, we go through the rain, all of that rain up on the hill and down here in Ochi. It's just dry and just beautiful. Look at this. Man. No rain. Only shine. No rain, only shine. Yesterday I went to the jerk. When in Kingston kitchen thing at Oak Garden, that was fun, that was good. It was a big crowd, massive crowd. They're waiting how long till the drink drop out of my hand. Just melt the cup soft, and it'll drop out of my hand. And Amieke, kids are not allowed over here, so Amieke can't get out of the car.
Where we're going to have place to
To
pee?
pee?
Or I might have to pee on the side. So.
You want to pee as well?
It's going to be too much hassle with him.
No, me will take him out and we'll keep him to after 10 years. After 10 years of waiting. Yeah man. After 500 years. Yo, Alicia, tell him what we see.
What?
Yeah man, brother.
Like stop.
Brother, stop. Door open me man outside of the door and it, like the woman. Brother, me couldn't believe, brother.
And she was like, he didn't even go on the driver's side where it was.
Him there on the roadside, you know. They on the side of the road where he drive past.
He was on
No, one under feet.
I just see
One under feet and the man does a charge.
I just see the car shaking, then I see the man and what he's doing. I'm like, what's happening?
Brother, I couldn't believe, brother. I couldn't believe. Ready? So not enough.
Come.
So Amieke is obsessed with fast cars. So Alicia is in trouble, not me, no. Alicia is in trouble. Amieke did not want to get out the car. So the race is about to start now. So after the heat, we're just going to go upstairs and watch the racing. You ready, Amieke? Fast cars? Fast cars. Fast cars. Can't leave it back down here. Can't leave it back down here. Guys, while the race is going on, Alicia heard the announcer said the car loses Wi-Fi. Alicia said, oh, that's why I'm slowing down, the car loses Wi-Fi. The car lost Wi-Fi. Let's slow down.
I'm not happy.
You can't need Wi-Fi, man. That's why I now go fast. That's the end of the day, guys. We are going home. It was a hot day.
What?
Hot day on the track and everywhere. Sun hot.
Sticky, icky.
Engine them hot. Amieke had fun though.
Oh, what?
Amieke had fun. We're tired. We're heading back home. So, hope you guys like this little vlog that we made for you today. You know, with the heat and all of that stuff.
Tired.
We did our best. Yeah, my solar flying.
Probably did.
My solar flying.
Tired now.
Man, Amieke, had fun, buddy? Yeah, eat. I'm full in belly. Alright, guys.
I came prepared. Prepared. So if you decide to have
food I carry, man.
Yeah, if you decide to have boys' day, I got you. You guys.
Yeah, I realized I wasn't complaining for real. I wasn't complaining. You never complained at all.
I normally complain.
Normally, last year I say, are we going to leave soon?
That's not true.
Are we going to leave soon this time around?
It was around the time that's like 4:35. I was looking like, all right, we should start.
No, that was a good time still. That was a good time. We should have leave a bit earlier.
Yeah.
Beat the traffic and stuff.
Like the 4:30ish. But let's do a rounds and say bye.
Alright, guys.
This work.
Home time. Bye bye. See you guys soon. Yes, soon.
Amieke, see you tomorrow.